Hey guys, Kid-Tivity here. Today I've got the LEGO Friends Nature Glamp. I just did this morning. I built it up. So I'm going to be playing a game with it. So it's like a cute little nature area where it's like all these beautifulness, alright? Let's start. Let's just put these guys off to the side. All of this. No, we don't need Olivia or this stuff or anything. Just put these guys away. Hi, it's Mia. I'm going to be on my bicycle. I'm going to visit my friend Olivia at the Glamper area. And remember, you also have to take off these dolls' hair because you can't put them both at the same time. I'm going to be visiting my friend. See you later. Now we're going to go and see what Olivia is doing. Oh. Hi, it's me, Olivia. I'm going to be walking to the nature glamp with my friend Mia. I got 2 fresh cherries. Let's talk later. Bye. Oh, hi. I'm going to be driving right now. Vroom. See you later. I'm off now. Bye. Hi, Olivia. Hi, Mia. Just pull her off. There we go. Hi, Mia. What are you doing? I've just drawn on my bicycle. That looks amazing. I bought cherries. Great. I got an apple. My horses let me borrow some of their apples. That's nice of them. Well, let's go have some fun now. It's so relaxing and what was that? Alright. Let me get a roasted marshmallow quickly. Here's a roasted marshmallow. Okay. Oh my gosh. We don't need this actually. Oh my, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Oh my. Oh no. Let me just check. Olivia, what is it? Is it a Bigfoot? No, Olivia. It's a squirrel. A squirrel. Come down here, little one. I think he's hungry. Why don't you give him one of your cherries? What a great idea. Pop. Let's give a fresh new berry to him. You try giving it. Olivia. Okay. Come on. Hi, little guy. Eat it. Wow, good boy. Come down, guy. Don't worry, no need to be afraid of us. You're just the LEGO friends. Oh, look, he's coming. Oh, he's super duper sweet. His hair is fluffy, soft, and little. Oh my gosh, he's extra soft. Well, what do you think we can do with him? Well, first we have to name him. Why don't we name him Belle? Great name, Olivia. But what can we do? Hey, we can play fetch with him. Great idea. Let me just eat this marshmallows first. these marshmallows. Yum, yum, yum. There we go. Let me go wash the stick. There we go. All right, how to play fetch, Olivia, since you don't know more about animals than I do. Ready? Ready, boy? There you go. Fetch! Good boy. Roll it over. Roll it over to Mia. Roll it over. Come on. You got it. Good boy. All right. It's your turn, Olivia. Okay. Hi-ya! Oh, I'm not a really good thrower. Don't worry. Just throw it as far as you can. Try again. I'll be watching you this time. Okay, Mia. Yeah. Go! Good job, Olivia. Thank you. What is he doing? He's gonna come back with the stick. Oh, where did the stick go? Oh, there it is. Come on, bring it to me. Good boy, Belle. Good job, Belle. Let's do it again. Throw it again, because I just love throwing this. Can I have a turn now? Sure, why not? I'm not a really good thrower anyways. Let me just sit on this nice comfy rug. Really comfortable. Okay. Ready, boy? Ready, boy? Yeah. All right, this time you are gonna have to go a bit farther, okay, boy? Hiya, fetch. Good boy. Ah, you okay, Olivia? Yeah, he just kind of knocked me down a bit. Okay. Maybe I can just hang my helmet right on my scooter because it's really annoying me on the ground. All right, boy. What else do you want to do? Eat more? Let's give you another cherry. Here's another one. Go say ah. Good boy. I'm gonna have a cherry drink. Boy, you want the cherry again? You love cherry, so I guess that's a yes. Ready? Eat it, boy. Hey, you took that out of my drink. Luckily you didn't eat it. Good boy. All right, it looks like it's time for you to go home now. You have to go home. Let's go. Let's put the glass away. We have to also go to bed soon. Let's just put my cherries back in. There we go, my stick. Just throw it away. There we go. Now, little boy, you have to go back to your home. Good night, boy. We're gonna just be back. Come on. Come on, Olivia, I'm sleepy. Me too. I wonder how we're gonna be doing this next. Oh, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and put notification and give me a huge thumbs up. Bye!